you're looking for the perfect blend of grinder and sander to cover nearly any project, look no further than the G1015 Knife Belt Sander Buffer. A powerful 1 horsepower direct drive motor rotates the belt and buffing wheels at an impressive 3,600 RPMs. The 8.5-inch auxiliary arbor accepts a wide array of buffing and polishing wheels with a 5/8-inch arbor. The G1015 features a rubber-coated 8-inch lower drive wheel and upper aluminum idler wheel with quick release mechanism. The belt arm can be mounted horizontally or vertically and accepts belts from 72 to 76 inches long. We offer a huge assortment of buffing and sanding accessories, including the G9242 10-inch drive wheel for the G1015. So be sure to log on to grizzly.com to see the full lineup. The G1015 Knife Belt Sander Buffer is a great all-around benchtop detailer, and it's available on grizzly.com.